If you're not particular about the music that you're listening to, you should be able to just hit play on your speaker and you won't have to watch this video at all.
What's up, fam? It's Dad, here to show you how to use the new speakers and tablets. Rooms 7 through 10 still have the old tablets, so I'm going to show you those first. When you get to it, it will have the clock. To get to the music, you're going to hit the square button and then swipe over to Spotify. When you get to Spotify, in the lower left-hand corner, there's a Devices button. To ensure that it's going to play on your speaker and not through the tablet, you'll hit the Devices button. This will pop up with devices to connect to. Please select the one that is your room that you're working in on that day. It will automatically connect to your speaker and be ready to play the music. When you're done, you'll want to hit the square button again and swipe back over to the clock. For the new tablets, it will have this sort of lock screen. To get to Spotify, you'll hit the Spotify button at the lower bottom. Devices button is in the same spot. You'll hit the Devices button, connect to the speaker that's corresponding with the room that you're in, and then you can play. Sounds good, doesn't it? To go back, you'll just hit that bottom button in the middle, the square. It's got kind of rounded corners, and it'll bring the clock back. If you need to adjust the brightness, you can scroll down, hit the settings cogwheel, display, and then adjust your brightness here.
Ooh.
The buttons on the speaker are very light to touch, so please don't wear them out. This bar will be your slider for control. To the left is volume down. Swiping to the right is volume up. This is play and pause, skip back, and skip forward.